Hey guys, so we have here our wireless earbuds, and in case you're having the problem that your earbuds are just not loud enough, then there's a couple of options that we can check in order to get those louder. And in this video we're actually looking at this problem with an iPhone. So in case you're having this problem with an Android phone, then I suggest you check out my other video here in the upper right corner. So there's two different options that we can look at, and the first one is at the settings of our iPhone. So let us have a look at the settings app, and you're going to see sounds and haptics. So we're going to enter this menu, and here at the very top you see headphone safety. So let's enter this, and here's where the magic happens. So in case you have this slider here activated, then there may be a decimal maximum that you can set here. Right now the default is to limit the audio volume to 85 decibels, and you can raise this if you want, or you can just completely disable the reduce loud sounds menu, your option here. So just turn this off, and at this point your earbuds should be a lot louder than before. So I actually prefer to have this at the 85 decibel settings. But there's also a different thing, the different problem that you may experience with your earbuds, and that is specifically when you have this problem with only one earbud, or where one earbud is quieter than the other. Then it's pretty likely that you have the problem that one of them or both of them are dirty and you just need to clean them. So let's have a close look here what's happening. So if you take a look at this opening where the sound comes out, then you see there's a lot of dirt and like earwax that's stuck around here, and this is here right now on the ear tip, but also this dirt can go right onto this opening, this little grill here. See this area? So this can get clogged, and you want to clean this up, and I have a specific video that shows you how to do that. I'm linking to that here in the upper right corner, because it's a little bit more complicated. But this is a very common problem with earbuds that are just not as loud anymore. So maybe you want to check that out. Yeah, okay, so I hope this video was helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.